Okay, so in this part of the video, I'll be creating my player, which is a rectangular shape that is placed at the bottom of the screen, and it moves from left to right. When the user presses the key left, it goes to left and right. This is my player class. In this constructor, I've set some constants like color and speed and initial position, height and width of the bar, and so on. And there are two functions, move and update. Update function calls the move function, which handles all the key presses by the user, and update function is called at every uh, iteration of the game loop, right? So on compiling this code, I can see that the bar is not contained within the screen surface, so I think there is some problem with the move function or the key handling function, which I have corrected. And on compiling it, the bar moves successfully in between the edges of the screen. So my player is ready. Thank you.